Electric cars run on electricity from batteries or fuel cells and have an electric motor. They can be plug-in hybrids, battery electric, or fuel cell vehicles, unlike conventional vehicles that use a gasoline or diesel-powered engine. Electric cars and trucks use an electric motor powered by electricity from batteries or a fuel cell. Battery electric vehicles' BEVs were powered by rechargeable electric batteries and produce no tailpipe emissions.
The history of electric cars dates back to the 1830s when Scottish inventor Robert Anderson built a motorized carriage powered by a non-rechargeable battery. In the late 1800s, practical and commercially available electric vehicles emerged. However, the popularity of electricals declined with the rise of internal combustion engines. The return of electric vehicles began in the 1970s.
Electric cars are becoming increasingly popular due to a variety of reasons. One of the main reasons is the growing concern for the environment and the need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Governments around the world are also setting targets to ban the sale of petrol and diesel vehicles, which is giving impetus to the process. Additionally, electric vehicles are less expensive to maintain than traditional gasoline-powered cars.
Here's some of electric vehicles manufacturers. Audi, Ford Motors, General Motors, Genesis, Hyundai, Kia, Lotus, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Renault, Rolls-Royce, Tesla and Volkswagen. Those were some of it, and there's still a lot of electric car manufacturers, and the biggest manufacturers are in mainland China.
Electric cars are becoming popular due to growing environmental concerns and the need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. They are also less expensive to maintain than traditional gasoline-powered cars. Many car manufacturers are investing heavily in electric vehicles, which is driving innovation and making electric cars more accessible to the general public. Governments around the world are setting targets to ban the sale of petrol and diesel vehicles, which is giving impetus to the process.
According to a Statista report, global electric car sales more than doubled over the past 12 months, reaching 6.6 million in 2021, compared to just 3 million in 2020. The report also states that China, Europe, and the United States account for roughly 90% of global electric car sales. The International Energy Agency provides a chart that shows the global registrations of electric vehicles, including plug-in hybrids, by region. Simple guide to using an electric car. Charge the battery. Before you start driving, make sure the battery is charged. You can charge your electric car at home, at work, or at a public charging station. Start the car. Once the battery is charged, start the car as you would with a gasoline car. Drive the car. Electric cars are easy to drive and have instant torque, which means they can accelerate quickly. Monitor the battery. Keep an eye on the battery level while driving. Most electric cars have a dashboard display that shows the battery level and range. Charge the battery again. When the battery level gets low, you'll need to charge it again. You can find charging stations using a smartphone, app, or a navigation system.
In these some of core manufacturers,